The introduction of the Samsung Galaxy A series devices is just 4 days away. This year, Samsung will release two A series devices, the A54 and the A34. However, the A74 will not be released since Samsung cancelled that plan. In my view, this is an excellent strategy from Samsung. Looking back at the A72 and A73, both of these devices had the same specifications as the mid-range category. But the pricing was so expensive that they were competing against the likes of the Samsung Basic model in the flagship category. Therefore, leaving them out is obviously a solid move for Samsung, as we already know that the Samsung A5 series and A3 series are both incredibly popular in every country due to their pricing and specifications within. Now, this series will be challenging for Samsung since there will undoubtedly be many competitors, such as Pixel devices and even Xiaomi in the mid-range categories, so Samsung must add some more features. And speaking of features, there will be several significant upgrades for these A-series devices this year. One of them is the design change that you will notice, and it will come with the triple camera sensor instead of the camera bump on the backside. And simply you have 3 camera sensors on both of these devices, which are coming with the same camera sensor as the previous generation. No, upgrading the camera department only, you don't see an extra camera sensor which was a depth sensor. The camera sensor will otherwise be same to the previous years. You might perhaps get improved software optimization, better night photography, and other things. An AI could kick in with these camera sensor and offer you better video and picture quality. One of the other things that will be enhanced in the A-series devices is a new Exynos 1380 CPU, which will be available in both of these devices and shows that the Snapdragon 778 grams is significantly less powerful than the Exynos 1380. Memory, we are expecting to see an 8GB of RAM as a base storage and 256 and 128 GB of internal storage to be coming, which is a nice addition. And the front, we have the same design of both the devices, says that the A54 is coming with a punchable camera cut out in the center of the device, and it has a thick bezel as well. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.